We want to take the opportunity to pull AI into the spray drone and recognition of certain plants and doing heavy lift and doing, spray operations in different locations, doing search and rescue, doing seeding in remote areas. Those are all things that we would collaborate with other groups for. So collaboration to me is the key to ag tech being successful. We are a drone service provider in the state of California. We apply for growers. We also do habitat restorations and vector control, fire prevention, so there's a lot of places where these tools are useful. We work with people in universities, different agronomists, chemical companies, and drone manufacturers to do research to optimize technology for use in specialty crops.
And we're here doing the soft launch of Black Betty Stacked. It's the newest drone coming to the market, and it is our first drone, that we're releasing as a company. This drone is a 40-gallon drone. You're actually seeing it right now with the cargo carrying unit, and we actually did the demo here at the FIRA show with the cargo carrying just to show some different versatility of the product and beyond the spraying drone that you've seen and maybe from other models.